You guys cool?
Okay, so I ask them to wait in the... Huh? Okay, so we can wait for a few seconds because they're trying to figure out things.
Where are they upstairs?
And no, we can just wait for a few seconds.
Why'd you guys call us?
Huh?
Why'd you guys call us? Are they trying to check out and take stuff or no?
Yeah. Huh? Okay, come on. Okay, I'm coming.
Somebody else is going to be coming in a minute. Somebody else is coming in a minute, all right? Hey, what's up? Good, how you doing? Hey, what's up?
Hi.
Hey.
The reason why we called,
Yeah.
my manager wanted us to call,
Yeah.
because yesterday they were actually in here,
Yeah.
and they did the same thing. They walked out with 3 bags full,
Okay.
and only paid for 2 items. They're in here right now. I'm watching them right now.
And then we're waiting to see if they're going to do the same thing around?
Yeah. So he just called for
It's
just.
a cart full now.
I guess they wanted to be prepared just in
Go ahead.
case.
I'll go.
Just so you know, I got the camera on that too and everything.
That was done yesterday here. It was the same routine, 2 bags. And
What happened yesterday? Did you guys call us yesterday? Or?
situation yesterday, we were actually dealing with the cops.
Yep, sorry.
We had a guy yesterday for 300.
Yeah, I said that end of the night, yeah.
Yeah, so it was basically during the same time frame with them.
Okay.
So when I was getting ready to go, I passed by and they were bagging everything up. I told my boss, I'm just trying to get out of here. So, you know, that's when they walked up. And when I replayed the tape, they only had paid for 2 items.
Okay.
And there was 3 bags full like that. And then now today is the same. I mean, right now they closed the bag up already in the aisle.
Right.
They already got 2 bags in there or whatever. Now I'm just waiting to see what they're gonna pay now today.
Did yesterday's get reported or anything?
I didn't get to, like I said, you know, it happened like at 9:30.
Okay.
So I got out of here. I didn't get time to call or whatever. And I wanted to make sure that was 100%.
Okay.
So I reviewed everything the next day, and everything was good. So that's why I didn't get to report it last night. Cause
Okay,
so
so we'll have to do that today and then...
Yeah.
And then what do you guys want to do with from yesterday's job?
Yeah, they wanna do it. Yeah.
They want, okay, so we're gonna wait to see if they go through with this again, then
Yeah, yesterday was only these 3 girls here.
Okay.
Today they were with this other girl here.
So one of
They're at the register now?
the, at the register, right, yeah.
That's them right here.
There's them right here, right? Right here?
Yeah, they were here. These 3. They were here behind the guy.
They're behind the guy, so they're waiting. Okay, check out.
Yeah.
Should have another car come down. There's 4 of them.
Not better if we prevent it.
Did they conceal anything yet, though? Or?
Everything's already in these bags right here, in the reusable bags.
Go past the point.
Yeah. We just gotta make sure that they. Yeah, I mostly wait. You know, I like to wait until they almost done paying. But my boss was like, no, they didn't want to risk it with it being 4 girls. That's okay.
What's that?
Yeah, I'm not mistaken. I think they told me that I'm one of the guys. I guess knows them from the store. He's like they're like about 18, I think.
Okay, they're putting a card in.
That's all they're paying. Let me see.
Marshall will back 300. Number 1 call. Breathe.
That's it.
So you're gonna walk out with everything?
She's about to say she's dizzy or whatever.
So another card on here. We have 425s. 200.
200.
Just start sending another car down here. We're just waiting to viewing the security footage to make sure they're gonna shoplift everything, but just start sending another car down here. So it looks like we're gonna have 2 10-5s, but we'll let you know.
Sure.
They don't know that you come. Something else.
That's manager.
They one of the associates.
Because the card didn't work. They were there scanning. Yeah, there they go.
On March 12, 2024, officers in New Jersey responded to a retail store not because a crime was in progress, but because management had called ahead. The same group of 4 women had allegedly stolen merchandise the day before. They came back, and the store was ready. That setup matters legally. A sting is not an entrapment. Police observing a suspected repeat offender does not manufacture the crime, it documents it. New Jersey shoplifting law, Title 2C, Section 2011, does not require a person to exit the store. The offense is complete the moment someone passes the last point of sale without paying. 4 points of sale were bypassed. $7 paid on $141 worth of merchandise. That is not a misunderstanding at the register. Under New Jersey law, value under $200 makes this a disorderly person's offense. Minor grade, but with a prior day's incident on top, the exposure doubles. The Fourth Amendment requires probable cause before a warrantless arrest. The standard comes from Illinois v. Gates, a 1983 Supreme Court decision where the court said courts look at the totality of circumstances. Here the officer had surveillance footage from the prior day, a receipt showing partial payment only, and real-time observation of the same pattern repeating. That is solid probable cause. Requesting backup for 4 subjects before initiating contact is textbook officer safety. It also prevents a chaotic scene that could compromise the arrest legally and physically.
I got it. Thank you. So everyone here is aware, our cameras are recording, okay?
No, I.
How old is everybody here? What's that? 20, you? 20, you? 23, you? How much? 21? All right. Just so you know, saw the camera, everything up there. You only paid for some of this stuff. He watched it too. Supposedly this happened yesterday, okay? $200. You have another car coming down here, right?
That's correct. We have 112 responding.
What's that? You're gonna try to complain, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. You have a cage back in your car, right? No? So I'm gonna need also another car besides 112 because Ray doesn't have a cage and I don't have a cage in the back of mine. And we're gonna have 4 2.5s.
Who has ID? I'm sorry?
No.
Nobody has ID?
Never.
You have New Jersey driver's license or New Jersey ID? Not on you, but do you have one?
Name here.
Everybody has one?
Your address.
Do you have an ID though?
So we have to sign something? We'll have to get
Alright, so what's gonna happen is, for yesterday's incident, this is not the first time it happened. This happened yesterday as well. For yesterday's incident, it applies to only you three. She was in here yesterday. For today's incident, it's for all 4 of you. You'll be charged with shoplifting. You'll also
charged?
be, yeah. You didn't pay for none of the stuff. You passed all points of sales, and that's considered shoplifting once you leave the store.
200 is that
Yes.
2 10 to 5? 2 female?
You'll also be
4
banned from the
females.
store. You'll be charged.
So how much is there?
No.
Let him finish, and then we're gonna explain everything
Yeah,
before we're
they'll
done.
talk to you
Let him
after.
finish.
And then you'll also be banned from the store. You'll be signing this trespassing form that you're not allowed in any of our shop routes.
Alright, N.J.S.A is on his way there. He's being advised. Sorry, do you have us?
We'll give me all your information and you're gonna write it down.
Another thing, while you're doing that, if anybody lies about their information, gives incorrect information, we can charge you additionally with that. So just please be honest and save yourself
Am I
another
entitled to
headache.
give that information? Because
You're under arrest.
Yeah, you're gonna
yes,
be under
you have
arrest,
to.
yes.
If you don't, then there'll be an additional charge for that.
if I ask for a lawyer,
You don't have the right for one at this time.
Because you're not being questioned.
and none of you should be on your cell phones right now.
Your first and last name, your date of birth, and
Put it on the table.
this is the trespassing form. This one we're here for now.
Who was in the store yesterday?
It was
1, 2, 3?
1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
First and last, I received MC14. Can you respond for 6 please?
So I gotta put my name here.
No.
That's all the messaging from the actual
So we watched it on the camera, so. And then the whole stuff's down. He's just got the receipt, so print out a receipt for what was taken, what wasn't. So because they took some stuff, paid for some stuff, and didn't pay for the others. So.
Who's Perez? How do you spell your first name?
ALANA.
N.A. And Nikisha? How do you spell your last name? I'm sorry? If that's an E at the end? Thank you. You need that?
Like this?
Yeah. You need it?
No, it's right.
Yeah, okay. All right.
I'll just take I'll make a copy quick.
Do you want us to verify the ID now or when we get up there?
Think about it. Well, I think we'll do it when we get up there. None of them said they were juvenile,
The
so.
officer asked you not to be on your phone?
I know, it's
Yep.
just my mom. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, you can text my
You're
later.
an adult though. Okay, if you were a minor, like we have to let you, but you're an adult. So just hold off on that. You'll get a chance to speak with her, okay? Thank you.
Have you guys been arrested before?
No.
I'm not answering my questions.
Okay.
Alright, there's no need for that. Because what I was gonna say
I'm not
is,
catching that.
what I was gonna say
I don't have
is,
time.
if you weren't arrested, you'll be out pretty quickly, okay? Yes.
Okay, let's hold this. We'll verify when we get up there. Everybody says they're adults, so.
So
What, they came from what?
You have it right there. Where's the guy's receipts? Who has the receipts? He has it, okay.
Can we have whatever they paid for? You have it?
Yeah.
and the total taken was 141.
This is what they paid for.
And everybody's 20 years old, 20, 21, 23, right? Yeah.
The youngest.
21, 21. Yes, 18 years old.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, everybody stand up.
Wait, can I have my brother's number? I don't know the number.
Bring it down.
Do you have to like put in? Cause
Yep. Stand up for me.
can you put it?
Put your hands behind your back.
Can't do that. No, I can't.
And we'll grab your phone.
Why do you need them behind in front of you?
This goes on record.
Do you need medical attention?
She's typing it and
I'm asking you a question. It's a yes or no question.
Can you just put your state photo right here?
No, I'll do it when you answer my question. Do you need medical attention? Yes or no?
Okay. Okay, get your names down here.
She's gonna do the search and everything's on camera. I'm sorry? If you put your thumbs down,
We're gonna do what we got to do. We're ready to do it, okay? So we're gonna determine what happens, okay?
You gonna flip every Shelby real quick?
Sorry?
take this hand, put the thumbs down, it's on the phone.
We'll start with one, how about that? They still have to double lock into the
Yeah, DJ. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
What about my card right here? Is it gonna be good?
Your car? They're gonna keep it in the park.
Do you have anything on you that we should know about? Anything, any weapons?
I have a vape in my pocket.
Okay, she'll find it. Yes, I have.
Okay, we're gonna search you, but I have to ask you, okay? So you have to. Yep. That's how it's gonna be done.
Put that over there? Somebody wants to take her?
Just here, back in. We'll go all at once, all together.
Review of that, and we're giving that to Transit Airport Authority as well.
This garbage.
That's not the vape.
Next.
I spoke to Dr. Phil, got my car down there.
Hold on.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, yep, let's go. Are you ready, Paul? Right? Right. Okay, we'll go out this way, right? Can you open it? No, we'll go this way. We're gonna go this way. All right. We gotta go that way, Paul, because they're having problems with the door. Because they have problems with the door.
Okay.
So we gotta
Is
go.
there any way we can get that open? Come back to the stuff.
All right. Put her in one of the cars, Chelsea. Put her in one of the cars. For them too.
I'm gonna grab it.
Just for. Yeah. We got the.
We're in the car.
Okay, Jen, just take her.
We'll put them together.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm gonna see you on that scooter. If I get another scooter, I'll give it to you, bro. Alright.
You got 112, right? No. Jen took the first two. It's unlocked.
Okay. Have a seat in there.
You want to put them in one or?
Just do them to put 2 and 2. Yeah, it's fine.
Come on this side.
Okay, put a seatbelt on, right?
Yep.
You have to give me a second.
Yeah, no worries. Till midnight.
That way.
Good.
Yeah, so there's nobody in there?
This is her personal. This over there.
I already have the phones and stuff. So just want to keep
And the case of water?
Yeah, the case of water too. She said that
Okay. Okay. I don't want to be trucked in? All right.
N.J.S.A, I'm coming into headquarters with this email right now. Can we have a rig respond here?
$112. Coming up with 2 female 1025s, 56885.2.
Hey, Ray, just try to make your way over to the multi-service center. The game's going to be out. I'll meet you as soon as I get this. Give me like 5 minutes. 200, go again with that.
I don't know, he said he had to go back in for another receipt from yesterday.
Yeah.
So we have 2 separate charges.
Elvis Duran in the Z100 morning.
Please make your way to the multi-service. It's not clear.
Invites you to Midtown with the opening of their new location at 714 Lexington Avenue. That's right, they're serving up generations of heartwarming flavor right in Manhattan. Fragrant, so bold, you want a shot from the passion team. You know what I'm saying? So whether you're
34, can you give me the address to respond to?
Language, 714
Headquarters, 34. Drop the headquarters. Check on takeout.
714 Lexington Avenue, right? New Royal Papero is the closing.
There's a special sales event going on now at all Food Bazaar supermarkets. Get extra special savings in every department. Shop local, eat global with the largest selection of international foods. Download the Food Bazaar Rewards app and earn your way to free groceries. Even if you shop online, you get your first 3 deliveries free with promo code FBC33. Shop local, eat global during the special sales event at Food Bazaar Supermarket. And visit our newest store on Myrtle Avenue, just off Broadway in Bed-Stuy. Foodbazaar.com. FOODBAZAAR.com.
Stage news and interviews. Tell your smart speaker to play iHeartRadio Broadway.
Driven by Mercedes-Benz. In the future, hosting the perfect cocktail party will be as simple as touching a button. Introducing the Bartesian, a sophisticated home cocktail maker that freshly mixes over 60 cocktails at the touch of a button. Everyone gets their favorite cocktail, as strong as they want it, perfect every time.
Unit first in Hudson. After a party that might match that description, just jump the stairs at 5 Marine View. It's going to be by the heating unit area.
What is happening right now?
They'll hide there.
Make an impact on the issues you care most about. Teach for America offers more than just teaching. It's a mission, a purpose, and a chance to shape the future alongside young people. Visit teachforamerica.org.
105 and C14, you guys received that? Yeah.
A bigger TV, an upgraded washer.
What's that at 5 Marine View? They jumped that.
Because now you can exchange an item at Rent-A-Center for another item within 6
I'm calling the time with the white fence for the heating unit.
The heating unit. I think it was a TV.
Yeah, that's what it is. Just trying to picture that.
So I'll make my way to the multi. You gotta call us once the intentionally shopping for the receipt.
Really? Who cares about the multi right now?
I need the air clear, please. I need the air clear. Alright, he's inside.
This is the worst feeling in the world right now.
Build experience, develop confidence, and make career connections. Most programs last 14 months or less. So by this time next year, you could be hitting it out of the park in exciting fields like automotive, diesel, healthcare, and skilled trades. Classes start soon. Visit LincolnTech.edu and schedule a campus tour. That's
For stop signs. What's up, Sarge? Okay. Okay. Alright, is he gonna email that information? Is he gonna text it to you?
a pair of New York Yankees season tickets. That's right, 2 season tickets to every New York Yankees home game. Household sweepstakes ends March 7th.
Are we gonna get the video on that?
Official rules. Go to spectrum.com/2024 sweeps and buy. No purchase necessary. Open to U.S. residents 18 plus in New York and New Jersey. Odds of winning vary by location.
Did he report yesterday's incident?
Start clean with Clorox because Clorox delivers a
He did.
clean every time. Because
Okay.
messes happen. Because
Okay.
I drop a mask. Great, because why would I put that on my face when I could drop it in my sink? This is what I get for multitasking. Ugh, why is charcoal so sticky?
Alright, so right now we'll just concentrate on what we have right now, and then when he calls us, we'll just add another paragraph to that. And then we'll email him the evidence.com link and okay.
Use Clorox products as directed.
At Meineke, doing car care right means their Meineke certified technicians fix whatever your car needs. At Meineke, they fix it right and back it up.
253, we're gonna have 11025 at this time.
Multi-service on this one.
Meineke does it all. See for yourself.
But I guess, something goes off on the multi-service.
I don't know. I really don't know. Right.
So if you have a contact from Marineview, we have a system.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. I'm doing something else.
Is that him right there?
Yeah, they're over there.
Are they getting it done?
I don't know what they're doing, but we unfortunately can't assist with that.
Everyone gets professional installation of an LED touchscreen, a motion detector, any contact, a lifetime warranty, and backup battery. And we're one of the first 40 dedicated Sloman's to get the free doorbell camera with professional installation of Sloman's home security system.
I'm giving it later. Or not.
Engine mileage is 38470.8.
We'll come back for the stuff, I guess. Oops.
Racing.
Yesterday's incident, everybody except for the girl in the pink was involved.
So there's two charges,
So there's going to be two
counts.
charges for everybody, but we're going to just do everything as the first one until they send us all the information. Like
Alright,
the
so only
amounts
one
and
count
stuff.
right now.
So right now,
We'll get to that stuff later. Just face that way. Careful coming out. You alright? Just stuff. You good?
I can sit outside all day.
Sir, can you just move to the side, please?
Yes,
Thank
yes,
you.
yes. I moved over.
Stay right here.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
Open here?
Not available.
Go ahead.
Move over, please.
This face the wall.
We're recording too. You gotta come back tomorrow. Tomorrow morning you're about to be here.
I'm gonna search you one more time, okay? Stand up.
I'm gonna uncuff you. When I uncuff you, you're gonna put your hands on the wall.
Put this hand on the wall.
On the wall?
First time being on this? Alright, sit down.
You almost broke my face.
Can you take this bracelet? What is happening?
Lift it up, but you're gonna shake, lean forward and shake out.
Check with the unit, where's you at? 114, where you at? Alright.
Glenn was just here.
8 o'clock.
We got him, it's fine.
Jesus.
I came because I had the water jugs on me.
Just throw two in the same one.
Here. Here. Put in two.
Oh, that's for Brandon.
Oh, yeah.
It's on the other side.
Alright, just leave it like that.
Alright, females are big. Up to the back.
Now, here is where this case gets complicated. At around the 17-minute mark, a subject asks about speaking to a lawyer. The officer says, and this is a direct quote, "You don't have the right for one at this time because you're not being questioned." That statement is wrong, not just tactically legally wrong. The right to counsel does not appear the moment questioning begins. It exists the moment custody begins. Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966, established that a person in custody must be informed of their rights before interrogation. But the right itself, that is not something an officer can suspend by simply not asking questions. The Supreme Court addressed the custody threshold again in Berkmer versus McCarty in 1984. Once a person is under formal arrest, handcuffed, not free to leave, they are in custody. Full stop. Telling someone they have no right to an attorney is affirmatively misleading. If any incriminating statement followed that exchange, defense counsel has a strong suppression argument. Suppression means that statement and potentially everything derived from it gets thrown out before trial. That one sentence from the officer could unravel part of the prosecution's case. The search incident to arrest was handled correctly. The Fourth Amendment permits searches of a person upon a lawful arrest. That principle goes back to United States versus Robinson in 1973. No issue there. The officer warned subjects that providing false identification carries its own charge under New Jersey law, Title 2C, Section 36. That warning was appropriate and legally accurate. Now the grades. The primary officer receives a B. The arrest was legally grounded, tactically coordinated, and professionally executed from start to finish. The attorney rights statement drops the grade. An officer who tells a handcuffed arrestee she has no right to counsel is either misinformed or misstating the law. Neither is acceptable. The four subjects receive a C+. Compliance during the arrest was appropriate, no resistance, no escalation. But returning to the same location within 24 hours is the most consequential mistake here. Repeating the conduct the next day transforms a single incident into a pattern. That pattern is exactly what prosecutors use to establish intent. And intent is the element that most defendants fight hardest in shoplifting cases. Store management and loss prevention receive an A-. They called police before the crime occurred, preserved surveillance footage, and stepped back entirely during the arrest. That is the right approach. Delayed reporting of the prior day's theft is the only knock. Evidence preservation starts at the moment of the incident, not after reviewing tape the next morning. What this case teaches is straightforward. On the law enforcement side, know what rights attach at custody, not just at interrogation. Misstating a detainee's rights is not a minor procedural error. For anyone on the other side of an arrest, compliance is the smartest move. You can fight the law in court. Fighting it in a parking lot or a store aisle only creates additional charges and removes the clean narrative your defense needs. And for businesses, loss prevention done right looks exactly like this. Document, preserve, call professionals, and let the system work. Anything more creates liability. Anything less loses evidence. Let us know which police interaction or legal topic you want analyzed next. Thank you for watching, and check out Street Bodycam for more police footage and courtroom breakdowns.